Previously on Man of Medan.
Oh, we're all going.
We gotta take advantage and look around for a way out of here.
There we go. Shit.
Stop! You fuck.
Yeah, we might need it.
I guess you never know. We might have to use it.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Don't touch.
Fuck!
Why are there two of you? Hi. Oh.
Fuck!
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Things appear to have taken a turn towards the spiritual, wouldn't you say?
Sure.
Now you're one down. And has anyone seen Fliss? Have you figured out what's going on? How to stop it? How to save the lives of your poor, unfortunate stowaways? You will, I hope. Although it seems the ship's previous occupants never managed to. Quite a lot of deaths that night. Let me help you out. Give you a little hint. You're agreed. Well then, how can I put this? There may be forces at play here that are more scientific, and even some that are more political, you know? Less supernatural. Perhaps you've started to realize something. That everything and everyone may not be quite what they appear to be. I hope that helps.
Yep, that's
Well,
why I
aren't you
originally
excited
didn't go
to
back
find out
when...
what your poor unfortunates are making of all this, and how you might avoid any more unnecessary tragedy? Go on, back to it. Speak soon.
Yeah, let's not try to kill anybody else.
Fuck off. Not my fault. The game was just like, oh, we're gonna go boom, boom, boom.
What the fuck is going on with this ship? Because I gotta be honest, it feels like there's some like evil, like literal evil going on down there.
Yeah, hence why I said I
calm
wanted to use a
and relatively
controller
sane
next
about
time.
this, okay?
I can do
I
those
saw
easier
This
on a...
this old
I-
lady.
I would
mean, she
still
was
fuck it up on a
batshit
controller.
crazy, like dinosaur old. Not that that's a bad thing, but she just like up and vanished on me.
Alex
Yeah,
wasn't the
that's
only
what was
Alex.
chasing me.
What are you talking about?
There were things walking around with his face on them. Alex's face. It was horrifying.
Boom.
Julia, I'd never hurt you. You know that, right?
No, I know. It's just.
Let's time out, okay? This place is too fucked up to just be fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I mean, like something is going on here. So what do we know for sure that we can all agree on?
Am I crazy, or are we on a ghost ship? Like, ghost ships are real, and this is one, and we're totally on it, and oh, holy shit, we're so totally fucked?
I was
Totally.
gonna say the same thing.
I read a letter. I found it before. It said the guards here were scared of ghosts.
What do you think actually happened on this ship?
The goddamn mystery box is what it is. The ship was bound for San Francisco, but it hailed from a water purification plant in China.
Yeah, if only
Apparently
Fliss
that's
is
where it
alive.
picked up the
Fliss knows
Manchurian
everything.
gold.
I saw 1940
Do what?
in the newspaper.
Fliss knows exactly what happened.
This whole place reeks of
Too
weird.
bad she's dead.
Dirty, stinky,
Oh.
weird. And I don't like it.
Oh, I found all the
It's getting
paperwork.
hard to tell what's real around here.
Nice.
That gold should be around here, right? Anybody catch a glimpse
Of
of
course, now you're curious.
Yeah,
about
I'm
the gold.
starting to think that there isn't actually any gold around here.
it? Okay.
Hey.
Still doesn't explain anything. We know more than we did before. That's something, at least. It's high time we made a plan, folks. A real
Let's
plan.
make a plan.
Pretty sure we can
I'm
hop
just
back
gonna
onto the Duke from
say
here.
Conrad so far
Fliss
has
said we
been
need the
closest.
distributor cap.
Hold on. The ship's gotta have a radio. If we can find it and use it,
That's great, but do you think it still works?
just need to find a way up there.
I mean, if the light's blinking, technically it would still work.
I mean, is it truly blinking?
I mean, shut up.
We gotta get off this damn ship.
That was
No
weird
shit.
because it told me
I
you
think
were
we're,
Alex,
speaking
but then it
clearly,
also said in the my
totally
bottom
different.
corner that I was Alex.
Well, I'm Alex, sir.
I know. I found it did something. Oh,
This is nuts, but maybe this is the ship that shot down our wrecked plane from the dive.
found a bullet casing.
Hmm.
Like one hell of a shell.
Mm.
I love how shift in this game is kind of like shift in Phasmophobia. What was in there?
Just the bullet holes, saying that
Ah.
it would have been nice to use them if they weren't Swiss cheese.
Ah, fun.
Find a way up?
Nah, still looking around.
She got a badonkadonk.
Yes, because that's what we need to be worrying about right now.
Yes, it is. You know, priorities.
Hey, a little help over here.
Did you search everywhere, sir?
I think this is our way up. Give me a lift.
Give you a lift?
I guess.
I'll pull you up.
Okay, well now that makes sense, yeah. Okay.
I don't know why Conrad or Brad wasn't the one that, gave me the initial lift, but sure.
What's this way? Absolutely nothing. Whoa, Brad, way to teleport, dude.
What do you mean?
You'll see. If you watch the video. Oh, that's not. Don't need to go that way.
This isn't creepy. Oh, look. There's my fiance way back there.
Hold me like Titanic.
You're on the other side of the ship. Right here.
Why is Conrad just staring in a window?
I don't know.
Over here.
Definitely didn't think I was going to be right on that, but alright.
Got a way through here.
Come on, strong man. Way to go.
Nice.
Hey, wait a minute. Is this where we were earlier? Yeah, Conrad ran through here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a dead body in the corner. Hello?
How ironic.
What?
Shows them last logged or caught in a storm.
Hmm.
How ironic.
Isn't it ironic? Like rain on your wedding day? logbook. Back. Just put it down.
Dead body. Oh, there's a picture.
Here's a picture. Oh. I want to look at that picture.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, by the way, I saw a picture of something falling and breaking the distributor cap.
Yeah?
Oh, ooh.
I'm curious if you saw what I just saw.
He went bang bang.
Yeah, okay.
Find a radio yet?
No, but it's gotta be around. Somewhere.
I mean, duh. Can't just be nowhere.
Oh, they went so far off crit.
Come on. There we go.
Damn, they went hella off chart.
Notes.
Huh. Blown away off course. Terrible cloud cover. They couldn't figure out where they ended up.
Take a look.
Pretty much what you
On
just
the
told me.
radio.
I noticed.
No freaking way. This thing actually still works?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Ah, it's working. Let's ask them for help. Hey, hey, is anyone out there hearing this? Hello? Holy shit, we got him. If you can hear us, we're on a ship, an old freighter. Our coordinates are approximately 12 degrees 30 minutes south, 151 degrees 20 minutes west. Please get here now. We need help.
Please repeat. Please repeat. Over.
We're on a freighter, abandoned, huge, and old. Hello? Hello? Is anyone out there? Please come in.
Yo, guys.
Big scary hole.
Check it out.
Maybe there's something down there that can help us get the power back on.
We need to get that radio working.
One of us should wait here for a message.
I gotta be honest. I don't think I'm gonna make it down there in my shape.
I'll go, obviously.
I can do this. I should be the one to go.
Hey, little bro.
What's up?
I'm thinking you might deserve a promotion. How's medium bro sound?
What are you talking about?
You stepped up to the plate. Put yourself right in the line of fire.
You're kind of mixing metaphors there.
Not if the picture's a machine gun. I'm impressed. Seriously.
So what do you think?
I got this. I'm not losing you to this fucking ship.
I'm coming too.
Hey, what? Julia, no.
I am going. That's it. Case closed.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's get to it then.
What?
All right. You and me,
She's
Julia.
headstrong like Sassy.
Okay, but the issue is you were seeing shit I wasn't.
Technically, everyone there except for Alex has yet to see
Yeah.
yet to see shit.
No,
So
you said Brad was seeing shit, Conrad was seeing shit, Julia was seeing shit.
yeah, that's everyone except for Alex.
Exactly, that's why Alex should have been the only one to go.
Someone has to go. 2 people have to go.
Why do 2 people have to go?
You really think it's just gonna let me sit up there and do nothing? We've already searched that entire area. That wouldn't be any fun.
I'm okay.
So, what's next?
This is more fun. Just man up and accept it.
We're gonna have to
You know,
find the
maybe you should
generator.
actually fucking
If we can get it
listen.
started, we can power up the radio.
Told my brother off for a reason.
We'll wait up here by the radio. Here.
Lighter.
Because that's what we need.
Hey,
Alright.
Yeah, don't worry. We both know the
After
oil
you.
would long be gone out of that. They wouldn't be able to use it, but, you know, video games.
looks like we're in the lower levels of the ship.
Sick bay?
Sick bay. Isn't that where you started? Or was that where I started?
I think you.
No, I got thrown in the brig because you got knocked the fuck out.
Oh, you're right. I was in there.
Ah, this is where I was. Hey, this wasn't open one earlier. What's in here?
What's this? Arthur Miller Proof. Petty
Hmm.
Theft 1 Debris. Oh. Trespass, public intox. Interesting.
Whoa. Okay, hold
You ready
on.
for this one? Wait.
What?
Joe was in the sick bay. Joe Roberts,
Mhm.
Charles Anderson. Charles was in the brig. Joe was in sick bay.
Yeah, that's us from the beginning.
I know.
But no, medical officers report minutes of meeting between scientist X, CWO Walter Bishop, and CWO Tom Palmer, with Sergeant Peter Wood, giggity, observing and in ... X for meeting with our team and says we can mutually learn ... For the same thing, the Western world must be protected from ... The United States has been aware of certain agencies investigating the chemical and biological agents in warfare. Our act ... limited by the Geneva Protocol ... have ... experiments we are unable to ... describes an investigation during ... to test the effect on human subjects of the molecule crystal structure
You found what I found earlier.
hallucinogens codenamed Manchurian Gold, chemical munitions, battle, relatively minor, observed to trigger significant hallucinations, so forth and so on. That's what you found
what I
earlier?
Mhm.
How? I found it in this freaking safe right here.
Because there's multiple copies. Because the
Shut
one
up.
I found was in a safe as well.
Well, blow it out your butthole.
I mean, you want me to lie?
You lied to me anyway. Wait, we gotta go.
Very true.
We came from that way.
You're right. I do lie to you on a daily.
Wow, that's just hurtful.
I'm gonna need 100 hot baths if we ever get out of here.
We're gonna get out.
What was that?
I hope you're right.
What was what?
That loud thud.
Oh,
What is
that
this?
thud.
Nope.
Oh, this is gonna bring memories.
John Patterson, mild neurosis.
Two Pops, come back soon. That's Joe's kid.
Clear case of COSR. Unhealthy, no medical conditions. Calm down. What is COSR? Doesn't sound familiar to me.
You having fun standing next to that dead body?
Yeah, so about that, did you kill this guy?
No. So when Joe got out of bed, he opened that door, and that body fell out.
Okay. So the door was open then?
No, I opened the door.
No, to the med bay.
Huh?
Like, so you opened the closet, dude fell out of the closet, and then you walked out of med
I
bay,
opened the
door
med-
was open.
I opened the medbay door
So
because he
you
had a lock on him. No, they had it locked. He had a lock on him. I unlocked it and got out.
then I'm confused. You killed a man.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Go back into the VOD.
Lying to me again.
Go back to the VOD.
But let me get through the door, please.
Get the fuck out of my way.
No.
Come take a look. Look, down there.
Oh.
I think that's the engine room.
A
Good
boiler?
place to find the generator, right?
Let's find out. Shit. No more ladder. I can drop the rest of the way.
Wait! Are you okay?
Break your ankles.
Yeah. Fine. Come on down.
Yeah, you know, that didn't just go straight into your fucking knee or anything.
Yeah, I know, right?
What's up?
The hell was that noise?
What the fuck?
No. Of course he didn't.
Hello?
Yeah, I think I'm actually seeing clearly for the first time in a while. Nothing jumped out at me. So, the ship was carrying Manchurian gold. But that turned out not to be gold at all. It's a toxic chemical. And there's this weird fog everywhere, right? Well, maybe that's Manchurian gold. And maybe we're breathing it in and it's fucking us right the hell up. I sure as shit saw some stuff I cannot believe. And maybe I was right not to believe it. I was hallucinating.
I guess it makes sense, though. We know the crew were scared shitless of something.
Yeah. They're all seeing this crazy shit going down and they all thought it was real.
This couldn't have anything to do with the plane wreck we dived.
We know the plane was here, and we know the ship shot at it. Must have been a result of the psychosis.
Oh, God. All right, let's get going.
Well, characters learned real quick.
I mean, technically, if we had taken the time to read every damn thing we picked up, we probably would have understood that.
What, you talking earlier?
Yeah.
No. Half that stuff wouldn't have been able to get to.
Why? I just read like
Because most of those
90% of that on that paperwork.
No. I'm talking with our first characters.
Oh, those two. Yeah, they probably wouldn't have known shit. They would have been
Yeah,
clue-
like I
What is
said,
this?
If Fliss had been alive, we would have known that all earlier.
Oh, okay.
Because I had Fliss find the paperwork about the Manchurian gold.
Got it.
I think yours might have been a little bit more in depth, but
Engine room log.
oh, we're on the engine.
Telegraph logs, stand ahead bell acknowledged, blah, blah, blah. Chief engineer. Order received to anchor
Wonder why.
in the middle of the Pacific. Okay.
Interesting. What's this way?
Stuff. Pipes and twisty ties.
Twisty ties?
Sure, why not? We can cuff each other. It'd be a great time.
Seem to be getting a little excited there, don't you?
It's back here.
Okay, so I can't turn any of those.
Yellow. Oh, there's that fog everywhere. Nothing's back there. Okay, cool.
I found it.
Huh?
Thank God.
Okay.
And it's working! Yep, this is it, all right. Just throw the switch and let's get back upstairs.
Okay. Let's get back up there. We'll have to find a new way up.
Yeah, because with no one manning it, no fuel or anything like that, it would still be working.
Listen, we're back. Can you read me? Do you hear me? Are you hearing us? Over.
Please state your situation. Over.
We've been kidnapped. All of us. And there are things trying to kill us on the ship. Over.
Recovery mission is en route to your location. Over.
Cap.
Come on, work, you piece of shit.
Interesting.
That light has some interesting physics too. Because it was swinging all over the place.
Look at this.
The rebreather.
I bet the fisherman brought it from the Duke.
You think it still works?
It's got maybe a few minutes of air left. Worth taking with us?
Yes. Yes,
Hell
it
yeah, we
is.
should. Half the boat is submerged.
Damn right you gonna carry that shit. Oh!
Fuck.
Gotta keep going.
Je sais ce que t'essaies de faire. Tu veux me tuer?
Oh my.
Mais c'est moi qui va te
Found a
tuer.
dead fliss.
Dis-moi seulement où est ce putain d'or. Je t'ai dit de la fermer, sale menteur. Ferme ta gueule de merde.
Oh,
Tu dis
you've got to be
n'importe quoi.
fucking kidding me.
Tout ce que tu racontes, c'est des conneries.
He's yelling at a dead
Ferme
body.
ta sale gueule de merde.
Oh my god. How did he die?
Wait. What the hell? That's got I drowned in the hole before.
He was trying to kill us. You did the right thing.
Even though I told you to stop at the time.
Because you thought it was me drowning myself. There's the cap.
Yep. Remember what I said? I saw a photograph of it being broken because something got dropped on it. Oh shit.
Maintenant, c'est moi qui viens me chercher. Les esprits des morts viennent me chercher.
Fucking A!
Damn it again. Wait, why are you carrying that now?
I don't know. Oh, come on. Alright, I'm switching to the other hand because I know what it is. I can press faster with that damn hand.
There's no use hiding, you little fucks.
Okay. Language, not necessary.
What's the problem with sharing all that gold, eh? There must be plenty of that to go around, more than enough. And we're all in this together, right? Trying to cut me out of the deal? You can't have all the gold.
Bullcrap, I pressed it!
Hey!
This man's literally gonna get us killed.
Shut up. I pressed the button. I know I did.
Holy fuck, lock it!
That's literally the third time you failed the silent one.
This is gonna hold.
Dude, I promise you,
Start running
I'd put a
again.
if I plug that controller up, I won't be feeling that
No,
crap.
if you fucking put a controller, it's not gonna make a difference.
Yes, it will.
You're just missing.
Shut up.
Stop making an excuse on a keyboard. You know what key it is, and you're still messing it up.
And I'm hitting it at the right time.
None of you move. None of you go all changing on me.
Besides, I have yet to kill anybody.
Turn around. Slow. Real slow. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Not changing. None of that. Raise your hands up. Slow. No, no. Not like that! I said, no changing!
Please, we've got no problem with you. We just want to get out of here. Please.
I'm sorry, but if you're breathing, then you don't got much of a choice in the matter. You don't got a say. Ha! Not again! It's all gone changing on me!
What? What's changing?
Stay away! Stay back from the mist!
Hey, there's no mist, man.
Don't breathe it! Don't breathe the mist!
Wait, what is this mist? What does it do?
It's life. Bringing things to life that shouldn't be alive. It's inside now. Inside with us now.
Please just calm down.
Stop! Stop! It's in one of us, isn't it?
I haven't breathed any weird mist. Please, I promise.
Yeah, you breathed in the mist. It's happening. I can feel it.
Dude, there is no mist.
Oh!
Well, that's what I saw happening.
Well, you have a body count now.
Yeah, because I could avoid that one. That was foreshadowed.
No, we saw him kill himself. We didn't see him shoot you.
Okay, I literally chose the simple options.
Room, which can only mean
I
one
don't know.
I guess I should have
I've been
said
in here way
nothing
too
that
long.
time too.
Hey,
What were the two
is
options?
anyone hurt down there?
There's no mist, and there was something in the last room.
I gotta go after him, don't I?
The fuck is this game? Fucking mayhem. And, you know, now he doesn't have a rebreather anymore.
Julia, and you are Conrad.
Can't make it up there. Shit.
Well, time to make the body count 3.
Oh, God.
All right, fine. That's it. I am so fucking over this. Fuck. Great. That trip sounds great, I said. I love to dive. I fucking love to dive. I'm going to try not to think about how much easier this would be with the rebreather. Well, no guts, no glory.
Yeah. Kind of wishing I had the rebreather right now.
That's a start.
Oh, here we go. Let's swim, 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 swim. Oh, look. Oh!
Like how they're walking
Fudge.
around a fucking ship that's abandoned with, you know, no shoes.
Alex and Julia had shoes on. Everybody else did not. Here we go. Hello?
Oh, hi.
Hi! Oh, okay.
Fuck! And it's destroyed.
Do what?
I hit that!
Get out of there! Come on!
Oh, there's the distributor. Go for the cap. Okay, I have a lever. Tell me when to pull it.
Now! Do it now!
Okay. Come on, pull down. Pull down, stupid thing. There it goes.
No! Okay. Sure.
Malum, do we need to talk about this?
Fuck off. That was technically you killing me.
How? I did what you told me to. You said pull now, and I pulled
And
it.
You took so goddamn long to pull it.
No, I did it exactly as the game would let me.
Yeah, and I'm sorry, the game was just like, nope, fuck you, you can't complete this thing. Because it was the stupid spam thing, I literally finished it, and it's just like, nah, fuck you.
Damn.
Whatever. Now time to go kill Brad.
I mean, they're the only
That was
two
so
left,
long.
aren't they?
Might as well kill them all. I'm not trying to kill him. That's the fucking problem. This game's just like, fuck off. Julia fucking witnessed 2 people die.
Yep. Witnessed her lover and her brother. Both dead. And she saw Fliss dead. Fliss's dead body. Damn, she's witnessed everybody die. Because she was there when you drowned the dude. She was there when the guy shot himself in the head.
All right.
And then she was also there just at the end with Conrad and the other dude. I think it's Julia. I think she's bad luck.
I think so.
Ride off into the sunset.
So I told you, Kiki.
He was an asshole. Connie meant well. No matter what moronic thing he was up to, he always meant well. It's just a big old puppy dog. Just trying to make everyone laugh.
He was my big brother. He was everything I ever wanted to be, you know? I just wanted to be able to tell him I'm sorry. And now I'll never get that chance. He's fucking dead! Oh God, Alex. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Alex.
I'm so sorry, I'm a whiny little brat.
You killed a person? I killed 3.
Yes.
I killed 3 of the 5. And I don't care.
There's wine.
Actually, I killed technically 5.
There's 2.
Because I technically killed Olsen and Danny. Banana, I know you have been.
There's 3.
Okay, that one wasn't even really my fault. First of all. We've already beaten this.
Yeah, it's over.
That's it. Game over. You're done. For now, at least. You could always try again, see if you can't do better next time around. Not a very happy ending. Or maybe it is. Depends what makes you happy.
Yes,
really.
I killed everybody.
Things got
Depends
a little
what
heated
makes
at the
you
end there,
happy.
didn't they? It's all about decisions, isn't it? Decisions made in a hurry, in a panic, made with the heart instead of the head, or vice versa. Sometimes those decisions take a long time to have repercussions. But there are repercussions. There are always repercussions.
I wonder if I hadn't hit the guy on the
Till we
boat,
meet again.
if he would have
Maybe
been
in
less
Little
likely
Hope,
to shoot
maybe
Alex.
somewhere else. But be certain, we will meet again. It's inevitable.
You know how bad I want to play through this again because there's a couple things I wanted to try different.
Want to spare me over till another year. Want to spare me over till another year.
I skipped, or
And
well,
we're going to skip that
Yeah.
because I don't want to get hit with the MCA.
yep.
Wait. Wait, what?
I guess you didn't kill everybody.
No, Oh, now these guys are gonna die.
So out of nowhere, this thing just sent out an SOS. Guess we got a real life ghost ship here.
Hey, look, it's the coffins that I found. That one over there in the top right that has like no cover on it had a skeleton in it that had 2 heads.
I wonder if they find any of our dead bodies.
I mean, I guess that would just depend on where they went, where they go looking.
What the fuck?
They ain't finding crap.
Okay, I killed 7 people. Or 6 people.
Whoever it was, they're gone.
Okay, very good. Who's there?
I fashioned her with my own hand.
What?